The National Basketball Association is no exception, as it has embraced artificial intelligence to enhance player performance, improve injury prevention and recovery, analyze game footage, and assess talent during the drafting process. One of the major benefits of artificial intelligence in the NBA is that it can help reduce players' risk of injury. By analyzing data on a player's movements and behaviors during games and practices, AI technology can identify patterns that may lead to injuries. Coaches and trainers can then use this information to modify training regimens or suggest changes in playing style, ultimately minimizing an athlete's risk of suffering injuries. Artificial intelligence tools are also utilized by coaching teams to review match footage for strategy development purposes before games. This helps coaches strategize their gameplay based on what worked well for them previously while recognizing opponents' play patterns/tactics. The NBA also leverages machine learning algorithms when analyzing potential future basketball prospects' performance metrics used during scouting seasons leading up to draft day. This enables talent discovery recruiters within various NBA franchises to assess how these prospective draftees will perform after adapting themselves from collegiate organizations into professional leagues. By implementing machine learning processes like natural language processing systems, these assessments incorporate both quantitative data along with personalized notes about each individual's unique backstory, reflecting personality factors other than just the National Basketball Association is one such industry that has integrated the use of AI for player performance and team analytics. With the significant amount of data generated during a game, AI provides a vast range of applications to optimize decision-making and improve players' productivity. One key area where AI is used in the NBA is to analyze learning behaviors and patterns by players. Player movement can be tracked through cameras mounted in various angles around the playing arena. This allows coaches to study every move made by their athletes, including body mechanics, actions taken at certain points on the court, and their effectiveness over time. Based on this type of smart analysis using algorithms, companies like Second Spectrum have been able to set up advanced tracking systems that allow teams to watch plays alongside quantified metrics with an unprecedented level of accuracy. Additionally, machine learning algorithms are employed for predicting success rates. Data like shot selection tendencies, efficiency stats, proportional deployment per minute played are brought together as balanced inputs into intricate models which then offer results based upon likelihoods which assign high or low chance estimates of how well future performances would take place under certain conditions. AI also aids in injury prevention. Since human bodies need enormous exertion demands when training or competing, it may often lead to injuries if managed improperly. These scenarios can be significantly reduced. The National Basketball Association is one of the major sporting leagues that benefits from artificial intelligence. The league has employed AI to analyze vast amounts of data related to players, teams, and games. With AI's ability to process data at a speed unmatched by humans, it can provide insights into team strategies, injury prediction and prevention. IT allows coaches and officials real-time access to a wealth of information that they would not have had previously. Basketball is considered one of the most effective sports for using advanced metrics due to its abundance of statistics. Through the use of machine learning algorithms, computers learn and analyze patterns, which ultimately helps identify trends in each game.